everyone. I am Dr. Vishal Jadhav from Hospitals India Private Limited.
Today, we are going to speak about importance of floor divisions in a multi-speciality hospital. Why which floors have to be on that particular location. So this is a particular design of basement plus ground plus 10-story building or a hospital. We have provided two number of entrances from two different access road. The interest behind having two different accesses is one for patients and one for the staff or any VIP members. We'll begin with basement. The basement is provided predominantly for car parking, mortuary and all service utility areas. This is a very important area or a very important floor of the hospital structure. Coming to the ground floor, if you see in a typical hospital, a ground floor comprises of casualty department, the admin spaces, emergency or dialysis units. The next floors from here, that is the first and second floor, is dedicatedly given for OPD setups. Here you can have from unispeciality to multispeciality or super speciality setups in OPDs. Depending on the requirement of the doctor, we can have multiple OPDs on these two floors. The floor above that are diagnostic floors in which X-ray units, sonography units, CT and other units whatever are required for a hospital are installed. The idea behind this is all OPD patients can easily access the upper floor for all diagnostic checkups, and if possible the reports are immediately delivered to the patient or his relative to show to the doctor inside the OPD. The upper floors are designed for general wards. As you are aware that many hospitals are connected to the government insurance schemes through Ayushman Bharat or MPGA. Therefore, general wards are required for lower or middle income group population who are benefited by government insurance schemes. Floors above that are semi-special and special deluxe rooms. These are specially catering to higher income groups and people who are covered under corporate insurance schemes. If you go through the upper three floors, we have dedicatedly given these floors for cath lab, ICCU and operation theatres. Now what is the significance of giving operation theatre on the higher floor? The benefits of that are operation theatre is an ultra hygienic area where infection control plays a very important role. The reason for keeping operation theatre complex and cath lab with ICCUs on higher floors is, as you are very well aware, that these are infection free zones, and if we keep it on the lower floors, there are high chances that patients' relatives might use these floors and later cause infections to patients who are undergoing major operative procedures inside the hospital. Another important factor for having operation theatre complex on higher floors is we avoid keeping any plumbing lines above the floor of operation theatre. Cause major leakages in the operation theatre, obviously disturbing the operational purpose as well as also creating infections inside the operation theatre. Depending on the area of the hospital, nowadays we recommend for helipads as well on the top floor or the terrace of the hospital. What is the idea of having helipad? That if you are very well aware that air ambulance services are spread all across India, and having a helipad takes care of transportation of patients from hilly areas or remote locations where normal travel is not possible. This can help you to give your hospital not only a multi-speciality tag but also a tertiary reference center.
So stay tuned And for further details, please visit our website www.hospots.com, or you can contact the numbers mentioned on the screen. Thank you.